We are at the City of Whittlesea, and today we're running a workshop with the service providers from the council, so the staff from the councils that work with positive aging. Not just from the City of Whittlesea, but we also had staff from different councils. And what we were doing was basically running the workshop with the personas and the scenario mapping, so they have an idea of what we did with seniors. But then we moved on into explaining what the tools that we've developed are, and then also trying to understand how this tool can be useful for them and how they might be able to implement these tools in their everyday work life.
So today and the previous series of workshops has been a really fantastic opportunity to not only explore the process of co-design, which involves people drawing on their lived experiences, drawing on their understandings of others, but to also really bring in some really nice insights in terms of not only the seniors but also the organisations that they work with, and bringing them together and helping them to realise the differences between each other and also the things they can learn from each other. And we provided a really great bridging point in terms of the stuff that we've done here in the workshop and also the tools and the insights that we're bringing out of it.
It's actually provided an opportunity to explore deeper rather than just the personas that we were initially looking at. And what we've understood is there is a group of people that might have some struggles with technology, but their digital literacy is at a point where they can reach out and feel confident to reach out to find solutions. But there's also another vulnerable group that are being left behind, and they're not even in a position to be able to reach out to take that first step with connecting with improving digital literacy.
And this is all really quite helpful in really being able to empower facilitators and equip people who are struggling with ICT to really have the strategies to be able to overcome some of the challenges that they face.
The facilitators were really fantastic. They were very engaging. They presented very well. It really encouraged every person in the workshop to provide their experience. So that was actually great. We had meaningful conversations about our community experience and how we could actually service our members.
People were engaged, they were contributing with ideas, they could link what we are doing with what they are planning to do in their daily activities. So overall, it was very nice to see the excitement in their voices and the light bulb that come up when they see the connection.